Hey guys, all the products that you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Today we have Lemon Myrtle Essential Oil from doTERRA. I'll tell you my favorite thing about this in just a second, but first some things you need to know. First of all, this is 5 milliliters, which is about 85 drops of essential oil, so that's going to last a very, very long time. Guys, the bottle looks amazing. I've been using doTERRA products for over 11 years now, and I can tell you guys, these are just so effective and they're just so potent. Because once you smell this or any doTERRA oil, you'll know a difference immediately. They're just so much more potent, so much more deep. You can smell it in your senses. It's just, I can't explain it. I think you'll have the same experience if you smell them as well. What lemon myrtle is really good for is like freshening the air and cleansing surfaces. Guys, use this in a diffuser. It smells amazing. I love using this in a diffuser. You can use it topically as well. But guys, use this while you're dusting something, and it's 10 times better than that other stuff that you used to use. It smells similar, but it has a very natural smell to it, and you can tell that it's natural. It's so much more powerful, so much more potent. You know, everything about this, I just love the smell of it. It smells very lemony. It's very herbal. It just has that very, very crisp, lemony, herbal that lemon myrtle has, and you're gonna love that scent as well. I think if you have the same experience that I do, I've just always had great experiences with these oils, and this one's no different. My favorite thing about this one is that it is from doTERRA. doTERRA puts a lot of work and testing to make sure that what their product says is in here is actually in here, and not a lot of other companies do that. So this gives me a lot of confidence to be able to use this. But guys, this thing just smells so amazing. It's one of my favorite scents, and it's like a lemon, but it's just a little bit different than a lemon. It's hard to explain, and once you smell this, guys, you're going to fall in love with it as well. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.